Hi there, dog lovers. Have you ever caught yourself wondering just how much your pup loves you? Well,
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI, but how, why, and what? Well, let me tell you about this channel called Viral Bee. They make these simple dog lover videos and gain millions of views. They have over 2.38 million subscribers. Over time, they have accumulated over 100 million views. That's just insane. And when we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they make around $10,000 per month. That doesn't sound bad, right? So you want to be able to know their secrets and create those videos yourself to gain millions of views, subscribers and money? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own dog lover videos and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Before we can start right away, let's take a look at one of their videos to get an idea. Okay, that is quite simple. They simply show footage of the dogs and then they have a voiceover and some background music. Let's get started ourselves. First of all, we're going to ChatGPT and ask the following. Hey yo, I want to create a YouTube channel where I have videos about dogs, titles like, and now paste like 2 title ideas of the Viral Bee channel. Please give me 10 video ideas for videos about dogs. Okay, that is amazing. Let's pick this one. 10 signs your dog loves you. Okay, now we will ask, okay, I will pick 10 signs your dog really loves you. Please give me the narration script. Okay, that is almost perfect, but let's ask this to get an even better text. Give me only the narration script without things like intro, sign 1 or narrator. And you could obviously ask for a longer text, but for the purpose of this video, this is just great. Okay, that is perfect. Let's copy the narration text and go to an amazing AI text-to-speech generator called 11 Labs. You can use it for free and I'm using a paid plan because it is so good. Now go to Voices and to Library. Here in the Voice Library, we are going to look for our narrator for our new Deep Sea channel. You can use the filters on top to make your search even easier. Let's pick this one and click on Add. And now click on Use. Now we are here in the text-to-speech section, and here we only need to add the script from ChatGPT and then press Generate.
hi there, dog lovers. Have you ever caught yourself wondering just how much your pup loves you?
Okay, that sounds amazing. Let's download it. Now we are going to drop it into a video editing software. We are going to use CapCut. Open up a new CapCut project and now add the 11 Labs audio in there. Next up, we are going to cut out the pauses like this. This is just so the video will be more exciting and we won't have boring pauses in the video. And now delete the muted parts and bring the audio together like this. Next up, we are going to get our footage. And there are several ways of doing this. We will explore them all. Before we are going to look for the footage, you could ask ChatGPT to give us some scene suggestions. So just ask, please give me scene suggestions so I can illustrate the entire video. Okay, perfect. Now the first way is to find the dog footage on YouTube. Be sure you search for Creative Commons footage. You can do this easily by setting the filter like this, but when you use these footage, make sure you credit the author. Okay, next up we could consider using pixels. You do not even need to sign up here. Here are plenty of videos we can use for free. Go ahead and search for dog, and now download a lot of footage here. Another way of getting your footage is by using Canva. Canva is free to use and they also have a 30-day free pro trial available. Simply open a widescreen YouTube canvas and then on the left you can search for dogs or dog. Now click on videos and pick one you like. Now enlarge the video like this and download it to your computer. To get the best quality, I will download the videos in 4K. After you've gathered all the footage, it is time we were going to edit it in a video editing software. We are going to use CapCut. It is free to use, and it is just so easy and amazing. Oh, and yes, we already did the audio editing there, but yeah, just wanted to point that out again. Now just add the footage there, and arrange them in the way you like. And most important of all, you need to resize them. The video can get boring if you show one clip for too long. Some of the videos might have audio, so it is advisable to click here and mute the audio track for the dog videos. And guys, what to do if you have a vertical video like this one with black borders? Well, we simply duplicate the video and put it on top. Now select the lower one and enlarge it like this. Now just go to Effects and now search for Blur. Add a blur effect to the lower clip and it will look like this. Now you could consider selecting both click and doing a right click and select Create Compound Clip. This will look nice and tidy. Now next we are going to add the intro title for the video. Simply go to Text and then to Text Template and now drag one of the templates onto the playlist. This one will be nice. Now here on the right you need to add the text, the video title in this case. Now we're going to transitions and add transitions to all the clips so our video will look smooth and silky. Now go to Captions and press Generate. Next up, go to Templates and pick a nice template. I'm also going to make the captions a bit smaller like this. Okay, that is perfect. Next, you could also consider adding your watermark like this. As a final touch, and to make your video more well put, we are going to add some filters. I really like the center light and vivid filter. Here on the right, you can tweak the intensity to make it look the way you want it to look. As a final element, we are going to add some background music. Simply find your background music in the YouTube audio library. Now add it to CapCut and adjust the volume if necessary. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own dog lover videos and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Hi there, dog lovers. Have you ever caught yourself wondering just how much your pup loves you? Well, you're not alone. Dogs have a special way of showing their affection. Sometimes you just need to know what to look for. Today, we're breaking down 10 surefire signs that your dog is absolutely in love with you. Let's jump right in. When your dog looks into your eyes, it's more than just a casual glance. Dogs use eye contact to bond with their humans, and research shows it releases oxytocin, the same hormone that helps parents bond with their babies. So, if your pup holds your gaze, they're telling you, I trust you, and I love you. Have you ever noticed your dog leaning against you? This isn't just a sign of needing physical support. It's their way of showing they feel safe and secure around you. It's like their version of a hug. If your dog is your little shadow, congratulations. You're their favorite person. Dogs are naturally pack animals, and following you shows that they want to stay close to their leader and best friend. When your dog brings you their favorite toy, they're not just inviting you to play. They're sharing something that makes them happy, which is their way of saying, you're special to me. Sharing is caring. Even in dog language, does your dog greet you with an over-the-top welcome when you come home? Tail wags, happy barks, or even a little zoomy action are all signs that they've missed you and couldn't wait for you to return. If your dog loves to sleep near you, it's a major sign of affection. In the wild, dogs sleep close to their pack for safety and comfort. When they choose to nap next to you, or even on your bed, it means they see you as part of their family. Have you ever had your dog nuzzle into you or gently press their nose against you? That's a big way they show love and seek closeness. It's their version of saying, hey, I'm here, and I care about you. Tail wagging can mean a lot of things, but a loose, full-body wag when they see you is pure joy. If their whole body gets involved, you can bet it's their way of showing love and excitement to be around you. When your dog yawns at the same time as you, it's a fascinating sign of empathy. Dogs mirror their humans as a way of bonding, and synchronized yawning shows they're emotionally connected to you. And finally, let's talk about kisses. When your dog licks you, it's not just about tasting you. It's an instinctive way to show affection. Licking is a behavior they learn as puppies, and when they do it to you, it's their way of saying, I love you. Dogs have endless ways of showing love, and these 10 signs are just the beginning. So, the next time your pup gazes into your eyes or drops a toy at your feet, know that it's their special way of saying, you're my person. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to show your dog some extra love today.